Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating frames for desktop, tablet, and mobile, 1440, 768, 375 pixels, so you can see constraints at scale. Once done, apply an 8px grid and a 12-column layout to each frame. This creates consistent rhythm and spacing. Make core elements into components now, buttons, headers, cards, so changes propagate. Also, import icons as vectors and set text styles. Do this early to avoid repeated edits, and make sure your baseline type. Now you convert groups into auto layout frames so spacing, padding, and distribution adapt automatically when the frame changes width. Once done, configure constraints on child elements, left, right, center, or scale, depending on how they should move or stretch. Use vertical and horizontal auto layout nesting for header, content, and footer. Then create component variants for different sizes or states and swap instances per breakpoint. Make sure to test the resize handles and watch how padding and gaps preserve relationships. Finish by prototyping interactions and testing across frames. Simulate overflow, scroll, and smart animate transitions so you see real behavior. Then export assets, SVG for icons, optimized PNG or web for images, and include 2x exports for high DPI. Once prototypes look correct, tidy components and update instances. If something breaks, first check nested auto layout settings, then constraints on children, and lastly any fixed width layers. Adjusting padding or switching a fixed width to grow will usually fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.